Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is 5S explanation. 5S, what is 5S? Goals of 5S and benefits of 5S and 5S explanation. Friends, this is very important topic because hospital settings they are asking in that Kayakalpa external and internal officer and NQAS lakshya program. So I am explaining 5S explanation today. What is 5S? It is a systematic way of organizing workplaces by eliminating waste and improving flow and reducing the process where possible. Father of 5S is the Taichi Okno, Toyota engineer in 1990. And goals of 5S: to improve workplace efficiency and productivity by creating a clean, organized and safe work environment. To eliminate waste structured system by organizing workspaces and materials. And the benefits of 5S: reduced cost, higher quality, increased productivity, a safer work environment. And 5S explanation. 5S are applying in our hospital. So simple steps are there. 5 steps: short, set in order, sign, standardize and sustain. I am explaining. First one is the short. Segregate what is needed later and not needed. Discard what is not needed. Segregate needed items by frequency of use. And second one is the set in order. In that, customize the work area to improve the efficiency. Keep important materials nearby and implement visual organization to streamline. Third one is the shine. Clean area, equipments and tools. Find and eliminate the sources of contamination. Keep workplace safe and easy to work. Fourth one is the standardize. Create a standardized and constant workflow. Everything in its right place. Every process should have a standard. Adapt to the best work practices. Fifth one is the sustain. Sustain to keep in working order, disciplined, and keep to the rules to maintain the standard and continue to improve every day. Thank you all of you.